Hello, my name is Jonathan Auerbach. I'm a licensed reverse mortgage specialist with Monarch Capital Home Loans. We are a direct lender located in Aliso Viejo, California, and this is a brief presentation regarding the facts versus myth on a reverse mortgage. Fact versus myth. Fact: the client remains the owner of the home. Myth: the lender owns the home. Fact: heirs will never owe more than the home is worth. Myth: the heirs of the estate owes full balance of the reverse mortgage regardless of the home value. Fact: your will or trust is honored and your heirs will receive your home. Myth: the lender has first right of refusal to force the sale of the home. Fact: guaranteed growth rate on the line of credit. Myth: no growth rate or negative interest on the line of credit. Fact: heirs or the client get all the equity in the home after the sale once the reverse mortgage balance is paid off. Myth: the lender gets a portion or percentage of the shared equity or appreciation of the home. Here's an individual scratching off their Social Security card as if it were a lottery ticket. Fact: the reverse mortgage can supplement fixed income or eliminate a monthly mortgage payment forever. Myth: the client will lose their Social Security, Medicare, or pension with a reverse mortgage. Fact: the client is responsible for paying the property taxes and the homeowner's insurance. Myth: the lender or FHA can force the foreclosure of the home if the lawn is not mowed. Fact: clients will qualify with average credit, income, and health. Myth: need to have excellent credit, substantial income, and perfect health. Fact: the home can currently be in foreclosure and you're still eligible for a reverse mortgage. Myth: the client must own the home free and clear. Fact: the reverse mortgage offer rates either on the fixed program or the line of credit. They're very comparable to market rates. Myth: double-digit or credit card interest rates on a reverse mortgage. On the left, you'll see a gentleman looking and speaking with his financial advisor, and it says, "I retire on Friday and I haven't saved a dime. Here's your chance to become a legend." On the right, a gentleman is walking the red carpet hoping to retire. Meanwhile, it's going over the cliff, and it says, "rolling out the extended retirement age red carpet." Fact: the spouse, non-borrowing spouse, or relative can live in the home forever. Myth: spouse, non-borrowing relative is kicked out after the primary borrower passes on or goes to nursing home or assisted living. Fact: it is simply a lien on title just like any other mortgage. Myth: the lender is on title and has ownership interest of the home. Fact: the line of credit is always liquid and full amount is available regardless of the home value. Myth: the line of credit can be cut or frozen if the home value goes down. Here's a gentleman talking to his boss saying, "Now listen, Sonny, you can't get rid of me or my dad," and he's pointing backwards. Meanwhile, his dad is a skeleton in a suit at his desk. Disclosures and documents. All disclosures and documents are sent to the client before anything needs to be signed. Everything that the licensed mortgage originator says is put in writing. FHA spells out all the conditions and securities for the client. An amortization schedule details the future reverse mortgage balance, whether it be 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years down the road. There are no surprises when it comes to the reverse mortgage. A monthly statement is sent to the client with their current balance. The current balance can be paid off at any time with no prepayment penalty. The monthly statement also shows the line of credit growth rate and the amount available for withdrawal. Here's two co-workers speaking to each other, and the lady says, "How late do you expect to be working?" And the gentleman says, "Late, 70 to 72 years old." Conclusion: there There's an abundance of misinformation out in the public about the reverse mortgage. Hopefully now you have a better understanding and education about what the facts truly are and possibly ease some of your concerns. As I mentioned, it is not just trust me because I'm licensed. Everything is put in writing. Everything is disclosed regarding a reverse mortgage, and there are no surprises. The client is shown what the future reverse mortgage balance will be before signing an application. There are no prepayment penalties or added fees. The balance on the most recent monthly statement is the balance that is owed, period. The loan can be paid off at any time. If you're interested in learning more about the reverse mortgage, I recommend you watch the other two presentations to get a more in-depth understanding of the program, or simply call or email me to discuss your scenario and have all of your questions answered. Once again, my name is Jonathan Auerbach. I'm a licensed reverse mortgage specialist with Monarch Capital Home Loans. I hope that this presentation was helpful for you. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.